Are your FFmpeg project apps crashing due to the avfilter-7 module DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm going to diagnose that error and fix it now. Before starting the manual troubleshooting for avfilter-7 module, you can access a utility to help standardize your system references. This is the avfilter-7 module, a critical module of the FFmpeg multimedia framework responsible for real-time audio and video filtering. It handles complex tasks such as pixel format conversion, cropping, and audio resampling during the decoding process. It is a primary dependency for video players and editing tools. If missing, the application will lose the ability to render processed video streams, resulting in a black screen or codec initialization failed errors. With that background out of the way, here is how we actually restore the missing component. Missing avfilter-7 module DLL data often points to a failed patch within the FFmpeg Project integration, and reinstalling the latest version of the program where you saw the error will automatically replace the corrupted library. Persistence of this error after a clean reinstall suggests that the issue may reside within the current user session's initialization. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the avfilter-7 module file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. I know it's frustrating if the restart didn't work, but don't worry, we have a more advanced solution ready. If you need to pause the video to take a breath, please do. To fix persistent errors with integrated libraries, you must ensure a clean file sync, and you should use a dedicated uninstaller to remove the host program along with its registry keys. Following this with a fresh installation of your software components ensures that the DLL file is properly mapped for the host program to run. Why are we doing this? Well, residual registry entries can point the software to the wrong file path, and a complete removal ensures that the new installation is correctly indexed by the operating system. Beyond the repair, maintaining a secure workstation requires avoiding a few common technical mistakes. Keep in mind that avfilter-7 module DLL must be properly registered with the Windows registry. Simply dragging and dropping the file into a folder rarely fixes the root cause of the error. For those who prefer a structured maintenance plan, you can access an official diagnostic resource at the link below. If registry organization or initialization timing is a concern, the diagnostic information below references avfilter-7 module management. I'm Sophie Chen. We are dedicated to providing clear, safe paths to PC repair, including avfilter-7 module dependencies. Subscribe to support our technical mission